Sanbonani, guys, the reality TV star posted a heartfelt, cute video of herself and her two boys surprising her daughter with a birthday cake, where she also wished her a happy birthday. She wrote a message and pinned it on Instagram saying, "My firstborn daughter, my only daughter, my princess. Words could never express how much I love you, cherish you, believe in you. My prayer as you start your next chapter in life is that you may continue to walk in God's purpose. You're so gifted and uniquely talented. Don't hide it. I plead the blood of Jesus over you and the protection of God over all the days of your life. Happy birthday, pumpkin." You know what? We love uNothile. Nothile, one thing. Yaziyafana nobaba wayo ingane. She is a split image of her father. Even her demeanor. Unothile is respectful, beautiful, talented, an intelligent young girl. And you know what? We would also like to wish uNonku's daughter Unothile a belated happy birthday on behalf of Zanti. Sitting at like angakula anjalo, may like the respect that she carries, everything the way she is, may she continue to grow like that, and may the Lord Almighty continue to guide her in her paths and journey of life. Please don't forget to like the video before Pumabuyo. Subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.